Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add scrolling text on a WordPress website. If you want to make your website more dynamic and eye-catching, this tutorial is for you. Now, on your WordPress dashboard, we will add scrolling text without using any plugins. All we need to do is go to Pages on the left side of the dashboard. You can find it right here in the Pages section. From here, we can choose to add a new page or edit an existing one. Since we already have an empty page, we will click the Edit button. Just click it, and we will be taken straight to the editing page. Now, once we are on the editing page, all we need to do is click the plus sign in the upper left corner to open the block inserter. Then type HTML in the search box. Type HTML and select Custom HTML so we can paste our code. Next, click Edit HTML to open the code area. Once we click on the HTML block, it will be ready for our code. We have a sample code here that was generated using ChatGPT. We will copy this sample code and go back to our WordPress page, then paste the code right here. After that, we will click Update to save the changes. As we can see, there is now scrolling text on our WordPress website. This is a simple way to highlight announcements, updates, or any important messages using custom HTML. And that is how we add scrolling text to a WordPress website.